Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel Reasonings with Chin. Big up our lovely viewers, subscribers, supporters, families, enough love, enough respect, manners and appreciation. And to other new subscribers, special welcome to you all. Sit back, relax, and enjoy the vibe. And if you have reached this part of the video and you haven't liked it as yet, touch that like button, show a girl some love, show a girl some support. Big up on yourself. And before me get done in the video, my love, before me get done in the video, me go tell no what reached me yesterday, But before me get into that, let me say this. Bless up yourself to Auntie Inez. And Auntie Inez, me get for understand say she's Auntie Donna's aunt. So me loves, me go tell no what reach me now. Me loves, me go tell no what reach me now with Auntie Inez. You hear me, dear children? So me loves now. After I did the video with Auntie Paula and Lady D down at town, I did the video, right? And upload it. Me never really come back online until we are open at the evening hours. Kind of know some I have to go look about Spooky and the children dinner and all them something there. A Sunday. I make preparation for Monday, pressing and all them good things there. Yes, my love. Girl, a family smarty, my love. You would never know me a family smarty. Yes, me a family smarty. Anyways, do all of that now and so long I relax like a bit now and decide say, all right, I go through my comments, go respond to my nice good people there, man. Lo and behold, me book up our comments say, my name and I call over planka shop. Me say, Jesus Christ, now me see that. Me say, then I could have war now. So when I see it, I run go over Agnes. Me say, Agnes, come quick, run, come here. We have to run good on a planka shop, go see. I want go on over there because say, say, true, we know, say, we walk about and hoping that everybody business on the social media streets, yeah. We care everybody business come over here come tell you no. Me curious now if you know what is what. So me and Agnes, at first Agnes was hesitant and never want come because she get chin to her friend. Because say she has said chin, but say there's a headquarters door. And when you do chin, I say Agnes, I don't do nothing. And Agnes, I said chin, if you know say you do nothing, don't draw me in a hit, you understand? I say, Agnes, I kiss the cross. And I kiss the cross. My love, I say, I don't do nothing. So me, I go find out how what kind of entanglement me get to cut up in and know over into planka shop, my love. So, me force her and if she come and we left and we go down there now. While we are walking, go down a planka shop now, me love the two we are argue and ball because Agnes, I say, if I any kind of prison work, she not coming with me because she too old to go to prison. In a fear stage now, she supposed to have come from prison, not going. And me a ball and I tell Agnes, say, Agnes, if I am going to prison, you're coming with me and not going down by myself. And the two are we going down. You understand me, my love? So the two are we ball and argue so till we reach at 99 now. When we reach at 99 now, my dear children, nobody never dead downstairs. Yes, nobody never dead down there. So we out there wait little until me say, you know what? Make we go upstairs, go look if anybody up there. So now we take time going and I take time a crawl a going. But we are walk and look just in case the bad puss did they understand me, my love, cause we no want so unfortunate like the lady where did it and go tap on the puss tail make him bite way up. You understand me, my love? So we walk and look very carefully. Anyway, now we reach upstairs, my love, and when we reach up there now we see lady D up there. I put on clothes, say she already if you go somewhere. So you for me need then did they know a trimble and a wobble and a galang, my love. Like I said, them out for give way. Like I said, me out for catch here, go me say, Agnes, me can't turn up, me have to sit down. So now, I saw now me hold a seat, me love, and did I listen and I listen. And she a go and she a talk, and me loves. He na the middle of the conversation, now me loves. She get one phone call. So, when she get the phone call, now me love, she depend the phone little until me hear she ball out say, where you know reason with chin from, so me loves. When me hear that now, me love, me frighten, me catch into frightenness now and they hook me heart now, me love, it fly up, come up here, so up and up in my throat like I had an apple now, me love, me can't swallow. And me I pray to God, say, God, do make me no sneeze because he say, if me sneeze, it a go fly out a Agnes now down there, bala galang. Because he said, me no do nothing, you understand me, love, I do one guilty, I am not guilty of anything done.
I mean, know when me a carry news, me no carry no wrong news. Fi say me say anything wrong or can't tell no lie, but nobody fi then go prison. We understand me, love. So for me a ball, do you know me love and I imagine myself in a orange jumper. Me know say them the kind of clothes they don't fit me. You understand? Cause not everything fit people and not every kind of clothes me wear. And me don't look good in a jumper. You understand? And I do want go wear no orange jumper suit. And Agnes down there ball now. And me I tell Agnes stop in nice no man. Make we hear when the woman have to say. And if anything, we can plead with case and say not guilty. So me love the conversation now you know go on and go on. Only if you find out now you know me love say I know nothing we do. I know nothing we do. I make video when me do myself for Auntie Inez, man. Auntie Inez not frighten me so again, Auntie Inez. But Auntie Inez, you could have give me heart attack, you know, man. Sure. I don't frighten me so again, man. Sure. I me loves. I feel so good in myself, you know, because I say, I make video with me do when lady did dog at town, you know, she watch her, she like, yeah, she call her auntie and I tell her, Auntie Inez, you're such a nice individual, beloved. My God, so me love long story short, me heart come back down now in a place where it's supposed to be. So me heart alright. My heart is very alright now, me love. Because me loves me coward, you know, man, because you know say when me I grew up, you know, cause true for me granny never have it, you know, and me granny grow. Me love me granny feed me pan roast breadfruit, not roast breadfruit, me granny feed me pan a whole heap of breadfruit, and yam breadfruit till me don't know how me no favor breadfruit, me love. So me very afraid, and me very coward. But Ines not frighten me so again, man. Not frighten me, me did very frightened. But big up yourself, Auntie Ines. Blessings to you. Thank you for coming. Thank you for watching. And I truly appreciate what you did. Enough love and blessings every time, manners and respect. Yeah, because even when we know the people them business, we try our best to keep it in a respectful manner. Yeah, the whole heap of arguing and the back and forth and cussing, we're not in that. So even though they might come at us more time when we touch certain topic, you know, they might come at us. We're not going to for them standard, we're not going to them level. We might respond if we feel like responding, but you know, not in the manner that they come at us. So I'm trying to maintain that level there on my channel. Come realize everybody on my channel over here so nice, decent people like myself. Yeah, respectful people. Come read my comments, them know I'm observe the people that in my comments. Yeah, no major disrespect. You know, everybody I go voice them opinion, but no disrespect not over here, right? That's so. I just want to say big up to everybody over here. Everybody over here, big up to Uno. I appreciate you all. All right, so let me get down in the tour, you know, man. But they just want to tell you that. You understand? So let me come and feel good about it, yes. I feel nice, but I tell you like I feel good about it. And hence the reason all the time you're here, you don't know who is watching you. Yes, no. So yes, now I could go talk about what galang in a planka shop. My love, big news, my love, big news, big Tory galang over there. Hey, I beg you, I can't come in. Hey, I beg you, I can't come in. My love's Lady D gonna lead, you know. Lady D gone to lead right about now. She take off. My love, she take off like the horse. Them don't got came on a race track. I don't know when time them the out of the starting gate. There's a pan don't got came on a spark when a race horse there. You understand? And the horse them they right out of the gate part. They so now ready to go take off. And yeah, they're off and then they shoot off. My love. Like when me a hug me shoot off in our spaceship. Yes, me dear of all who just a come on and know. Yes, like when time the social media streets get too hot and we are run for cover. Yes, me a hug me sometime we go up a Mercury, my love, yes. You know, I just figure cool out, cool out until, you know, everything cool down here we come back. Yes, my dear. Oh, don't take me a hug me normal. Oh, don't take me a hug me normal. We think no lily boy, yeah. Oh. Yeah, man, I saw lady the shoot off, you know. My love, she now waste no time out here on social media, baba. She now waste her time. She a take advantage of every opportunity where she get out here that me realize. She not in a bag of yapping and no bag of lula lay with nobody. She just a do her thing, just a cut and go through. Hey, me dear, I know we are gonna hear people squeal out. I know we are gonna hear people squeal out like a when you lick hog. For between me and know the damn bad cake them they step up in a life, my dear. The damn bad cake them step up into life, my love. No man, Bureau of Standard. Bureau of Standard. Lady, what you're not saying? What you're not saying, mom? Bureau of Standard. My love, my glad bag, boss. My glad bag, it, boss. I feel good into myself, I don't know what me glad for too. Me glad say me I come from the early stage of it. You know me ended there from the start from the beginning, but me reach early and never late. At least me can get the history of how the name bad name come about. Yeah, I wanna watch it their IG a do our thing, you understand? But me glad say me did the round when they name bad because they never name bad them time there. Them never name bad them time there. So me can actually say me did there from name bad cake start out. Yeah. I'm a proud so me know the name bad name history first hand. Nobody never can tell me nothing. Me know why it name bad. So no can say nothing to you, no can chat to you, no, because me and Agnes, we are going to get the history book to go see we. Go see we see the history book. I look out like the heroes, them panny money out here. Mercy God. Beloves we the history book. No man. You know from me bad, me always want go in a one book, me love. Me always want go in a one book and I never know say I would have go down into history. I feel good. Agnes, how you feel? Me know, yes, Agnes, I know. Hey, Agnes, you know, say me and you stuck together forever and ever, amen. Yes, me dear, like a heckle and jekyll. So as I was saying now, my love, the name bad cake it fully certified. Fully certified. Them graduate with PhD, my love. Them graduate with PhD. And them pass with flying colors. Them graduate with honors, my love. Honors. Why, lady D, me ask you a question, ma'am. You're not tired for make me ball. Lady D, you're not tired for make me ball, so pour me drown, ma. Ya go dot me I water ma a little tip me have left, you know, a little tip I water me have left, lady D. I don't want it done. But look, me just feel good to see how she a do her thing. For people them said this, people said that, all kind of people come out and they have so much to say. And she always come out and flame them and shame them. She no come and answer to no Mr. Man and no Mrs. Mama. She just beat them with progress and ambition. My loves, you don't pay attention, you don't notice. Action, not a bag of mouth. Right, that's so. Alright, that's the thing there. So we can look out for Nyambad and our fly all over the place. When our fly all over the place, can Nyambad get them visa for travel any and everywhere and nobody can report them. So sooner or later, Nyambad go get green card and then citizenship. My love, we can't chat to Nyambad again. Him. Mercy God. Then Nyambad them will be traveling. Somehow know out there chat and a chat off no more to no do even have a passport, much less we have a visa. Hey, Agnes, thank God. Me have my passport and visa, my love. My loves, you don't see ya. Hey, me travel regular. Very, very regular. And when we're traveling first class, me and Agnes. I want 'em to them. I want 'em to them. Don't it, Agnes? Seriously, Agnes, so you mean for come tell the people them but we not no visa? Agnes, you know if stay like that, man. What you mean for come tell the people them but me not no visa? I may never travel pan plane yet. Like seriously? Agnes, me not lie, you let me down. You let me down, Agnes. And the worst part now when you go tell the people them about only taxi and coaster and JUTC bus we take. You have to make the people them know so we are take the chichi bus, Agnes. You have to make the people them know we are take chichi bus. Agnes, I never expect this from you. I never expect this from you, Agnes. I never expect this from you, man. To me never want nobody know say me nah have no visa. Eh? When all this reach over to Curly now, cause Curly cost me all well, say me never travel yet and me can't travel like she and they same thing there. And me come out here talk say me a visa, you this come flap me in a public so Agnes. Never expect that from you, man. What you mean? What you mean for say you never know say people them are here? True. Anyways, my love, the Nyambad Bakery is now official. Yes, bra cakes I got the all about my love in a supermarket and airport at Jamaica. So Lady D, you see you, Lady D, you see you. So this is where you keep from with how long? I tell we all kind of sitting. I got unfold and reveal in that 2024. So this is one of them. Lady D, you trick with man. Family that think all kind of other things, but me never, you know, the name bad kid name across my mind, different things me that think. So this is one of them. So me just want to say congratulations to you, Lady D. We're proud of you. We're proud of your journey. We're proud of your accomplishment. And you deserve every ounce of achievement that comes your way, that you've received throughout the years. And this is what happens when you're hardworking, when you're persistent, when you're determined. You understand? The more them fight, and the stronger you get. Big up and bless up to you, Lady D. The only thing or the only person can stop you is you. Nothing or nobody else. I don't know how people are trying. People been trying over the years, but to no avail. God not give them no victory over you. Nobody can stop what God ordained. War for you can't be for nobody else. Yes, my love, I know them heartstring I go look nyaka nyaka nak. I know them heartstring I go look nyaka nyaka. I know them heartstring I go look nyaka nyaka like rotten and yamit. That was start that one yeah, like oh Martin Luther would have started. My dream, my dream, my dream, my dream, my dream. Tell him my dream is to live my dream. Hear the most side, I'm asleep when we see him. Look at me, you know, when them treat me less than good. Put me in a box like a rectangle. Look at me now. Oh, look at me now. Look at me now. I'm here to live my life. When them used to go around me. My life was so lonely. Look at me now. Me I take plane like JUTC. When you see me, it's on TV. Shows after shows after shows after shows. Tours after tours after. My loves, my loves later on, man. Sure. So I got to run now, my love, and I will see you later on into another video. Uno pick up yourself, enjoy the rest of the day, and see you soon. Peace out, bye bye. Enough love and respect. And just another reminder, if you reach this part of the video and you haven't liked it as yet, please touch that like button. Show a girl some love, show a girl some support. And if you don't offer you don't subscribe to the channel, man. Just subscribe to the channel, man. And help me to grow. I don't want to see me grow. You don't want to see me take off like a beige and kite. You can't be so selfish, man. I don't like how no selfish over here. Me go over in my analytics and me see you know how much I know sit down and look at me and not subscribe. Me could stay bad so. You know why me rich? Me want to rich. Listen, you see, if me rich, me I make a whole lot on rich to everybody. Me I get a percentage of my richness. The whole lot we are rich together. I promise you no. You see, if you not subscribe, if the whole of way I watch me subscribe to each channel, you see, when me going through the pearly gates, me a Agnes, and all if you know. And left for no, I go and find one little space in a front room where God all give me, you see, and I go and squeeze the whole on in it. You know, take my word for it. Just subscribe and watch and see what me I got the phone. Pearly gates, here we come.